There are several scientific reasons for the prohibition of consumption of intoxicants, that is alcohol. Maximum number of deaths in the world related to any one particular cause is due to alcohol. Millions of people die every year due to intake of alcohol. There are many ill effects of alcohol, and many diseases that are associated with alcohol are common among the people. I will list a few diseases that are associated with alcohol. The list is long. The one is cirrhosis of liver, that is well known, associated with the consumption of alcohol. The others are cancer of esophagus, cancer of head and neck, cancer of liver, that is hepatoma, and the cancer of bowel, etc. The other is esophagitis, pancreatitis, gastritis are associated with the consumption of alcohol. Then other is cardiomyopathy, hypertension, coronary atherosclerosis, angina, and heart attacks are well associated with the consumption of alcohol. Then there is strokes, fits, and then apoplexy, and there are different types of paralysis that are associated with the consumption of alcohol. Then there is peripheral neuropathy, then there is cortical atrophy, then cerebellar atrophy. These are diseases also associated with the alcohol. Then there is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndromes. Then there are other diseases like beriberi and other deficiencies that are not uncommon among alcoholic. Then there is pellagra. Similarly, there are various other diseases that are associated with consumption of alcohol. And the consumption of alcohol not only affects the men, but it severely affects females as well. And the ill effect of the consumption of alcohol is detrimental among females. And the females are more vulnerable to cirrhosis liver that is associated with alcohol as compared to men. During pregnancy, the consumption of alcohol causes the detrimental effect on fetus. That is, there is fetal alcohol syndrome that is associated with the consumption of alcohol in females. These are few diseases amongst many diseases that are associated with the consumption of alcohol. Today, the doctor says, and they have a different medical doctor, they have a different approach towards alcoholic, and they say that the alcoholism is not an intoxication, but alcoholism is a disease. I want to reply to them that if alcoholism is a disease, then it is the only disease that is sold in the bottles. It is the only disease that is advertised in the newspapers, on the internet, on the TV channels, in the radio stations. If it is the only disease that has licensed outlets to spread it. It is the only disease that produces revenues for the government. It is the only disease that brings violent deaths on the highways. It is the only disease that destroys families and increases crimes. It is the only disease that has no germs and virus.